Good morning, everyone. Today, we're here to introduce you to a powerful solution that can transform the way you manage your business. ERPNext is a comprehensive and user-friendly open-source ERP system designed to streamline your operations, improve efficiency, and empower you to make data-driven decisions. In this presentation, we'll delve into the world of ERPNext, explore the capabilities of NextFuture Consulting as an ERPNext specialist, and showcase how our expertise can benefit your business. At NextFuture Consulting, we're passionate about helping businesses of all sizes and industries leverage the power of ERPNext to achieve their goals. Our team of ERPNext experts possesses a wealth of knowledge and experience, ensuring a smooth and efficient implementation process. We understand that every business has unique needs, and we're committed to providing tailored solutions that perfectly align with your specific requirements. We offer a comprehensive suite of services, from initial implementation and customization to ongoing integration and support. We're committed to your success and will work closely with you throughout the entire ERPNext journey. ERPNext stands for Enterprise Resource Planning Next Generation. It's a revolutionary open-source ERP system designed to streamline and centralize your entire business operation. ERPNext goes beyond traditional siloed software solutions. It seamlessly integrates all your critical business functions, including CRM, accounting, inventory, manufacturing, project management, and more, into a single, user-friendly platform. This unified approach eliminates data redundancy, fosters collaboration, and provides a holistic view of your entire business. The benefits of implementing ERPNext are far-reaching. By automating repetitive tasks and streamlining workflows, ERPNext can significantly improve your operational efficiency. This translates to real cost savings and allows your employees to dedicate their time and skills to more strategic initiatives that drive growth. ERPNext empowers you with real-time financial insights and data-driven reporting, enabling you to make informed decisions that maximize profitability. Additionally, ERPNext provides robust customer relationship management (CRM) tools, allowing you to deliver exceptional customer service and foster stronger client relationships. Perhaps the most significant benefit of ERPNext is its inherent scalability. The system can seamlessly adapt to the growing needs of your business, ensuring a future-proof solution. When it comes to implementing ERPNext, choosing the right partner is critical. Here at NextFuture Consulting, we differentiate ourselves through our deep expertise and unwavering commitment to your success. Our team of seasoned ERPNext specialists possesses a wealth of knowledge and experience, ensuring a smooth and efficient implementation process. We understand that a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work. We take the time to understand your specific business needs and customize ERPNext to perfectly align with your unique requirements. We recognize that successful ERPNext adoption requires ongoing support. We provide comprehensive support services to address any questions or challenges you may encounter, ensuring you maximize the value of your ERPNext investment. We offer competitive pricing and flexible engagement models to fit your budget and project needs. We believe in building long-term partnerships with our clients. We are invested in your success and dedicated to providing ongoing guidance and support throughout your ERPNext journey. At NextFuture Consulting, we believe in a structured and collaborative approach to ERPNext implementation. Our proven methodology ensures a smooth transition and minimizes disruption to your business operations. We begin with a thorough discovery phase, where we delve into your business processes, identify pain points, and define your specific goals. This deep understanding forms the foundation for a comprehensive implementation plan that outlines the project timeline, milestones, and resource allocation. Our team of experts will then expertly configure and customize ERPNext to align seamlessly with your unique business requirements. Rigorous testing is an integral part of our process, ensuring that the system functions flawlessly before it goes live. We understand that training is crucial for successful adoption. We provide comprehensive training to your team, equipping them with the knowledge and skills to navigate the system effectively. We support a smooth transition to the new system, ensuring minimal disruption to your daily operations. And beyond go live, we remain committed to your success, offering ongoing support and maintenance to address any questions or challenges you may encounter. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our impressive track record of successful ERPNext implementations. We have a wealth of experience working with businesses of all sizes and across diverse industries. We take pride in understanding the unique challenges and opportunities faced by our clients and tailoring our solutions to deliver tangible results. Each case study represents a testament to the transformative power of ERPNext and our expertise in guiding businesses towards achieving their objectives. At NextFuture Consulting, we view our clients as partners, not just customers. We are invested in your success and dedicated to providing ongoing support and guidance throughout your ERPNext journey. We believe that a successful partnership is built on trust, mutual respect, and open communication. We are committed to fostering a collaborative environment where we can work together to identify opportunities, address challenges, and achieve your business goals. We are your trusted partner for ERPNext solutions, and we are here to support you every step of the way. We are excited to discuss how ERPNext can transform your business. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and learn more about our services. We look forward to partnering with you on your journey to business success. Thank you for your time.